Yung labas ng bahay natin, may parking pala. Ang ganda ng parking na doon na.
Oo, nakita ko yung natino, yung paakyat. Free ba yun?
Shortcut yun. Yes. Bababa tayo ng sa Show Tower. I've never been here also. It's like iconic also.
It's nice.
Yeah, but it's so tiring to bike up here. It's like, oh my gosh. Only biking down.
Yeah, only biking down.
Or walking down. I won't bike.
I wish I bike again.